Okay, so I think I've given enough time. Rex, I'm gonna just assume that you scratching your head is maybe rooted in suspicion, right? Because you guys know I like to give trick questions every once in a while, right? And this is a trick question. The answer is there is no difference, right? There is no difference in qualitative versus quantitative problems when it comes to resampling. Because that theory, right? Remember these 3 steps, right? Here's my data. I'm going to try it against the model. Here's what my metrics say about my latest experiment. That's the same for everything, right? That doesn't change. Those 3 steps are a fundamental building block of data science, right? So it's a trick question. There is no difference for qualitative problems, right? So I want you to remember that what we're talking about is one of the most fundamental, most important things in data science. You should be doing this no matter what. You're going to be doing this really, I mean, for the majority of your career, all of your career, right? There will be no project where you're not using cross-validation, bootstrapping, resampling in general, right? Training cycles, right? This is the work that an algorithm goes through to build itself up, right? The repetitiveness of it, the experimentation side of it, you're always going to be doing it, right? So Rex says, yep. Yeah, Rex has attended enough of my live streams to know that I like to throw trick questions out there for you guys, right? So when I said, what does qualitative what do I say about qualitative problems on the next slide? There is no next slide. I'm not gonna. There is no need for me to highlight qualitative problems because it doesn't change. You're always going to be doing this. There is no different training cycle for qualitative problems. So if we go back to Sarvesh and Hamad's answers about encoding it to convert into a quantitative problem, that's like a step in the process, yes. But there is no difference, right? You're still going to go through that same cycle, right? You're describing the tool to how to get there.